Everybody, this is Raymond again at Elsinore Saloon, and I'm not advertising anything, you know, all that. It just is what it is. It's there. Another engine I had, swapping out parts, but it has got two little clips in here, the size of pencil erasers. Remember the old-fashioned pencils had erasers on the end, geared up? You know, I'll get into that. But I just want to tell you, man, I've seen people kick-start motorcycles that just don't want to fire right up. Stomp, stomp, stomp. Clips go in. Springs kicking back out every time the gear turns. I'm just saying, I've seen people stomp the living dog crap out of it. If you got to stomp your motorcycle that hard, you know, these are dirt bike two-stroke engines. They should fire up. Either I've seen it where the piston is ready to go, the rings are tore up, or it's just not getting gas. You know, usually, could be a number of things. But I used to push these down hills when I was up in the mountains of Pennsylvania. Sometimes to get it started. I'm glad I didn't that last time. Old Elsinore, it was ready for the final round.